What is going on today, guys? So today I have decided I'm going to clean the garage because it's a bit of a mess. As you can see, it's been a long few days and everything is a mess and kind of need to clean it up. So yeah, let's get it cleaned up. Wow, what a change of the garage. It's all clean. Everything's been cleaned, organized. Pretty quick transition. We got Evans over today. And so our goal today is to get the engine bay looking all smooth and ready for primer. And on a side note, we're going to try to get all of the rear suspension off so I can start working on that too as well. So that is the goals for today. So I'm going to post up on the tripod and then we're going to start cracking at her. So I will catch you guys in another update. See ya. All right, quick little update on the engine bay. So as you can see, we have been sanding everything down and getting everything ready to go. This tower just got some new Bondo, firewall's drying, and this tower also is drying. So we're gonna take off real quick. We're gonna grab some refreshments, and then when we come back, we are going to start the rear suspension and start taking that out. And then once that's done, some of that Bondo should be drying on the engine bay, and then we'll start getting to it. So we will catch you when we get. All right, so we're back and we're going to start pulling off the rear suspension and trailing arms of the wagon. And that way we can start reconditioning them and going through the underneath of the car and having some parts off. So we have something to do. Officially finished sanding the engine bay all the way down to 220. I know this is a 2-hour long video. Obviously it's going to be time-lapsed, but we're officially done sanding, and let me show you the progress. So this is what our bay looks like. Everything is really smooth. This corner back here was the problem child, but other than that, I mean, there's a couple of things that are kind of just is what it is at this point, and that's as good as they're going to get. So now what we're going to do is we're going to clean up the entire area. We're going to blow down the engine bay area, clean it with some acetone and some isopropyl, and then we will get to laying some primer and then seeing where we need to make our adjustments, reassess, and then go from there. So that's where we're at. I'm going to set you guys back up on the tripod, and let's get to it. So just laid down the first bit of the filler sandable primer to kind of get an idea of where we're at and what we're doing. So I will give you guys, ooh, that's super bright. Blinding myself. I think the results of this are turning out really well for the first coat. I think that looks absolutely amazing. I think it looks great. And I'm very, very, very satisfied with the results of the way the bay is turning out. Obviously, there's still a bunch more to do. We're not even close to being paintable yet, but we're getting there. So I will hit you guys with another little update once the bay dries and we're done with the second coat. Stay tuned. Well, we're going to go ahead and put the second coat of primer on the bay, let that sit, and then kind of get an idea of where we're at. The first coat dried, and I didn't really see anything that was a huge major standout that would require me to sand, grind, or alter the primer. So we're going to put the second coat on there, let it sit, and then we'll go. Now that I got you guys off of the tripod, I'll show you. This is with the second coat of primer that has just been laid. I think everything turned out pretty good, to be honest. I mean, I don't really see a whole lot that needs to be redone. For the most part, I think it looks pretty good. I'm very satisfied with these results. But I'm really excited to get the color in there. That's going to be the biggest thing. Once I get the color in there, then I'm going to tape everything off and get an idea of what I want to do for the undercoating for the floors, the fender wells, or the wheel wells, and stuff like that. So I would maybe say in the next couple of days, I'll go and do the color reveal on what the engine bay color is going to be. It's going to be the entire car, all one color. I'm not going to be doing anything multicolored, so stay tuned for that. But other than that, I think that this is a good way to kind of end today's progress and do a little video editing, and then I'll get everything uploaded tonight. But yeah, I'm happy with this progress, and I couldn't be more satisfied with it. I think that Evan did a really awesome job with the work that he put in, and the work that we did on the, what was it, like 3 days that we've been working on this bay so far? You've been helping with? Yeah. So, yeah, it's coming out good, and this little wagon, she's got potential. So we haven't figured out a name though yet, so we're kind of poking at the ideas of a name for the Wagonator. So, but thanks again, and I will catch you guys later. Down, down.